Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video, we do have some links, and at the bottom of the video, it's flashing grow your money 27% per year. Okay, so we need to talk about all these things before we start the analysis. Now the link here at the bottom says the first one, swing trading on automation. So when you click on the first link, then enter your email, come to this page here and watch this video, and then you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can get this software, install it on your chart. I will tell you on which pair, and leave it running for 5 years and just grow your money 27% each year. Okay, now this is guaranteed. I am giving you 5 years money back guarantee. I want you to run this for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4, 5 years, because I know this is guaranteed. Okay, so coming back here, second link says book consultation and check broker. So in case you want to talk to me, you can book consultation with me and you can check out the brokers if you want to join them. Now I want to give you one more specifics here, because when you talk about 27% per year, for some people they will say it's not much. For some people who are actually serious, they will say it's a lot. Okay, because when you speak to some serious stock traders or investors, serious, who invest millions and billions and trillions, okay, they are not looking for doubling their money. Okay, no serious investor or stock trader wants to double their money in 1 month or 6 months. They know this is not how the markets work. Okay, so a stock trader will be very happy if they get 3% return per month. Okay, so go and check this out. Go and talk to any stock trader if you know how much profits can they pull out from the market every month or per year. Okay, so if you are a gambler, only a gambler will have this mindset of doubling the money within a month or within a week or within 15 days. Okay, we are not talking about gambling here. We are talking about a hardcore setup method which does not need any human intervention. And I have made this software based on daily time frame only. It's not scalping. A scalping robot will not survive. I am ahead of the time. Okay, so yes, you're you will be on the internet watching this robot, that robot, but what I have done is a daily swing trading robot, not some 5 minute, 15 minute. They don't survive. Okay, so this thing is going to make profits for a number of years to come. Mark my words, even if you die, this will make money for your kids if you give this to them. I am very, very serious about this. I'm giving 5 years money back guarantee for no reason, because I know this is going to print money and it is tested and proven. Okay, so coming back again here, if you're serious, because I will do the analysis, but you go on YouTube and you watch videos from everybody, this analysis, that analysis, fine, but not everybody is 100% correct. You know that. And sometimes you will make money, most of the times you will lose money. So you have to decide if you really want to gamble or you really want to make profits. Okay, because now in this DNA age, I have automated it. So when I have created this software, it's just my human brain into this software. That's it. Okay, and it does deliver the results, but it's not for gamblers. Gamblers means you want results within a week, within 10 days, within a month. It's not for you. It's for people who wants to leave their money at work, set, forget, and then just come and check every month what's your balance. Okay, so I wanted to explain this because people who are watching this video, they are looking for some analysis. But again, trust me, if you are trying to double your money within a month or two, you are just a gambler, you're not a trader. Okay, so subscribe, like and share, and get this robot if that helps you, because it's only for serious people who have the money and they just want to set and forget, and just set this robot and carry on with your daily life, with your job, with your family. You don't even have to check anything. Okay, more details you can find on this page, or you can talk to me, you can book consultation, check out the brokers, and I'll explain everything how these things work. So thanks for listening to me so far, and now let's start the analysis. All right, GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly rejection, red, and we are going down. So this is your last high weekly. So we have a rejection. We know we are going down for the time being. Daily, this high is not broken, so we are going down. Coming back to 4 hour yesterday, I don't know where we were yesterday, but this was your low pullback, and now we will either form the double bottom or will form a new low. So we have to wait and watch. So we might reject this low and then take a pullback until the EMA, or we might create a new low. That will happen with the time. So keep an eye, wait, watch, then execute. Okay, so in 4 hour we are below. In Delhi we might cross below, who knows, but until this high is not broken, you can see here we are not looking for longs in GBPUSD. Okay, plus in weekly we do have the rejection, so you will only make money if you have patience, otherwise you will not. Market doesn't move according to your whims and fantasies. Okay, market has no obligation to move when you want the market to move, which means if you can't wait, if you can't wait 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 10 weeks, you will not make money. Market don't care what you want. Market will move at its own pace. And if you don't know the basics means 90% of the time market stays in range. You only trend 10%, which means only 10 days in a month will be trading days. Maybe no, not 10 days. 10 days in 100 days will be trending days. Okay, get your basics right. Market has no obligation to move when you are in the trade, but it will move when you might not be in the trade. Okay, so far I told you we are not looking for longs if this is not broken. Okay, but like any other trader on YouTube, I do not sell you any training program for a couple of $1,000s. I'm not here to teach you how to, find things on the chart. That era is gone. That era is gone where, oh, you buy my training program, I will teach you trading. That's bullshit. That's gone. I'm not saying you should not learn it, but that era is gone. I'm not teaching you anything here, but I am giving you a ready-made software created by me. I have transferred my human knowledge into that software. And as we have discussed that in the beginning, if you have patience, because nobody cares if you don't. If you don't have patience, market don't care about your, eagerness. You want to make money today, market don't care. You want to make money within a week, market don't give a shit. You want to make money within a month, market don't give a damn to your thoughts. Okay, so if you have the money and the patience, then go and get this swing trading robot and make money in the number of years to come. I give you 5 years of money back guarantee. It's my challenge. You will make money if you have patience and use my software. I'm not selling you this training program. That's old dated. Okay, I'm selling you something which makes money and you have to do nothing. Just carry on with your daily life, with your job, with your family, and then set the system once and just check this once in a month maybe and just see how much do you make. I give you 5 years money back guarantee because I know it's going to work. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.